Well, okay, there's a good morning. Hello, welcome to Acad Talk. My name is Richelle. I am the HR specialist here, and nice meeting you, Miss Hannah Jade Asuki. Hi,
Okay.
Hannah. How are you today? How's your Friday?
Good, thank you.
It's good. Okay, that's good
Yes.
to know. Well, anyway, Miss Hannah, thank you for coming in and in your interest in our company for the position of ESL tutor. But I would like to use this interview productively to learn as much as possible about you in a relatively short period of time. Okay, let me just take a few seconds and explain how this flow, Miss Hannah. Okay, first is to have an interview, and we're going to proceed immediately to the short demo, and you have to share screen the demo material. All right.
Okay.
So, shall we start with tell me your complete name, describe yourself, educational background, work experience or experiences, and then your working hours availability. Okay, you can start. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, good morning. My name is Hannah Jade Asoki. I'm from Cebu and I am completing my studies in University of the Visayas and I am taking up the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, and I belong to a nuclear family and my strength is I am a self-motivating person and I have a strong communication skills. Also, my short-term goal is to be hired and get job here in your company. And my long-term goal is to achieve a position like yours. And I am also a quick learner and I believe in learning from my mistakes. That's it.
Oh, all right. Okay. Well, that's it. And I have a question for you, Miss Hannah. Okay.
Okay.
Given an example of a situation where you meet an irate, rude adult student, how are you going to address it?
Well, I definitely stay calm and figured out what's bothering them. Maybe they're having a bad day or frustrated with the material. And I'd try to understand their perspective and see if we could work together to find a solution. If the behavior continued, I'd have to set some boundaries and let them know and give them proper knowledge about that disrespect isn't okay.
Mm. Okay, thank you. And Miss Hannah, what if you have a class tonight and suddenly you remember that you have an event to attend? What is your priority?
Um, Maybe I should cancel that event and prioritize my class because I believe in consistency
Hmm.
because being consistent is
Hmm.
that's when I'm
That's
so nervous
it's all right. You have to be, you have
because it's
you relax.
important.
Okay, it's important. Okay.
Mm,
All right. Okay, well that's it. We are done with the interview, Miss Hannah. We can now proceed with the demo. Please share screen now the demo material, and in the demo, I'll be pretending like a 5-year-old student, so please be very patient to me, and if you have props to do, you can show it to me as well. Okay,
okay.
shall we start? Thank you.
Share screen.
Yes, please. All right, minimize Skype and click the demo. Minimize. Minimize that one.
Mm, like this.
Click minimize. Or you
Where
can actually drag it. Just you can
where
actually
can
drag
we
it.
find where can we find the
I mean, the demo material, you just have to click the demo material. You have to minimize that one. Maximize, minimize, right? No, beside that, maximize.
oh my god. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
beside that one. It's okay.
Where here? The call layout?
No, no, no. You just have to minimize. I mean, what's beside the maximize? That it's three options: minimize, maximize, and close, right? It's just like
Here.
no, the other side. I think, yeah, that one.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Yeah,
Oh.
minimize that. And you have to click the demo material. That one. Okay. So yeah,
Okay.
I can see it. You can start. Thank you.
Can you see me right now?
Yes, I can see
Can you
you.
see him? Okay.
And I can see the materials. All set, all good. You can start. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay?
So, so I'll start.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Welcome
Teacher.
to ACADSOC. Welcome to our
Welcome.
class.
Welcome, teacher.
My name is Hannah Jade Suki.
Yes.
So, let's do a check first.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you see me clearly?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's great. So, what's your name?
Rich, rich.
Also, hi, Rich Rich. Pleased to
Hi,
meet you.
teacher. Pleased to meet you, teacher.
How old are you, Rich Rich?
I am 5 year old teacher.
Wow, nice. So, how are you today, Rich Rich?
I'm happy, 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 teacher.
Wow, that's good to hear.
Yes,
Okay, so let's start.
yes,
So, we're gonna tackle today about Rainbow Bridge. Can you read it
yes.
for me? Rainbow
Rainbow,
Bridge.
rainbow bridge.
Do you know about colors and shapes?
Yes.
Can you
Blue.
say color
Colors, colors.
and shapes?
Shapes.
Okay, let's
Yes.
proceed. How many colors are there in the picture?
Five teacher. Five.
Wow, very good. Because you are so very good, teacher's gonna give you a star.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so how many colors are there in a picture? Can you identify them and tell me what there are?
I don't know.
Okay, that's why teachers here and teachers gonna help you identify the colors in the pictures, okay?
Yes.
Good. So let's my wait a minute, Rich Rich. Okay. So the first one is blue. Can you say it?
Blue.
Blue.
Blue, blue, blue.
Okay, very good. And how about the second one? Red.
I reds.
Okay, it's red.
Red, red, red,
Okay,
teacher.
very good. And how about the third one?
I don't know. Is that
Okay, it's orange.
orange?
No, it's orange.
Orange, orange,
Okay,
teacher.
very good. You good job. You
Good
earn a
job.
badge. Okay.
Where
And
the badge?
here, good
I
job.
thank you, teacher.
Very good. So, how about the fourth one? What color is this?
You're well.
Yellow.
Yellow, yellow, teacher.
Can you say yellow?
Yellow, yellow, teacher.
Okay. And how about this? We forgot about this. What's this? What's the color of this?
Pinka, pinka.
It's pink.
Pinka, pinka.
No, it's pink.
Pink.
Very good. You're a quick learner, Rich Rich.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, let's proceed to the other one. So, the part two, let's learn. Do you want to learn, Rich Rich?
Yes.
Okay, listen to your teacher and read. Okay,
Yes.
so I'm gonna read it. Yellow.
Yellow sir.
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
Okay, how about the second one? Blue.
Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue,
Blue.
blue. Blue, blue,
Blue.
blue. Blue, blue, blue. Sir.
Okay, how about the third one? The pink one.
Pinka,
Say
pinka,
pink.
pinka, pinka.
Let's say pink. It's
Mm,
pink. Hello, Rich
yes.
Rich.
Pinka, pinka.
Okay. And how about the fourth one? It's green.
Green.
Okay. And the last one is purple.
Purple.
Very good, Rich Rich. Okay. Let's go to the part three. Do you want to play Rich Rich?
Yes, teacher, let's play
Yay!
outside.
No,
Ay,
we're gonna
sorry.
play this one. We're gonna look
Ay.
and match. Okay, Rich
Ah.
Rich?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
So we're gonna connect these letters to their name. These shapes to their letters, to their names.
Dance, teacher. Dance, teacher.
So, can you can you match this?
Yes, teacher. Number one, yellow. Number two, pink. Pinka, pinka.
Now, number one is yellow,
Yellow, teacher. Yellow, teacher.
and the second one is blue.
Blue is that favorite color is my. Is that your favorite, teacher?
Yes, it's also my favorite color.
You no no.
And the third one is,
I don't know, teacher.
oh,
I
you forgot.
forgot.
Okay, the third one is pink.
Pinka, pinka,
Yes, it's pink.
teacher.
And the fourth one is, can you say it for me?
I pinka.
No, it's green.
Greena.
Okay, it's green. And how
Green,
about the
teacher.
last one? The
Blue,
purple one.
purple yam, violet is that, teacher.
You're so funny, Rich Rich. So let's
Yes.
proceed to the other one. Let's check your answer if it's correct.
Correct.
Yay,
Me is
very
me.
good.
Very good.
So
Me.
because you are
Very
so very
good.
good, I'm gonna give you a very good badge.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Rich Rich, you're welcome. So let's
Yes,
proceed.
teacher.
So let's proceed to part three. Proceed to part three. Let's play. Okay?
Yes.
Uh, so can you still remember what color is this, Rich Rich?
Yes.
So can you tell teacher what color is this?
Yes.
Okay.
That is Yoli.
No, it's
No,
yellow.
no, Yoli, teacher. No, le.
It's yellow. Can you say it?
Yellow. Yellow, teacher. Yellow,
Okay. Very good, Rich
teacher.
Rich. And how about this?
Pinka, pinka.
It's blue.
Ay, blue, teacher.
Okay, very good. How about the third one? Can you tell me what this is?
I Billy Easy. Brown.
No, it's pink. Can you tell teacher pink?
No, no, pink.
It
Brown.
no, it's pink.
Okay, pink, you 1 point collect.
Thank you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, how about this? What color is this?
Green, green grass of home.
Very good. It's green. And how about this?
The purple yam cake
Yes.
lavendel.
Very good. It's purple. Guess you guess it right. Let's
Yes,
see if you get this
teacher.
correctly. Oh my God, you get it.
Oh
You're
my
very good, Rich
gosh. Oh
Rich.
my gosh.
So,
Thank you,
because you are so
teacher.
very good, I'm gonna give you a great job and a well done.
Yay, yay. Thank you,
Yay.
teacher.
Very good, Rich
Yay.
Rich.
Yes,
So,
teacher.
we're gonna review.
Yes.
So, look and read. So,
Yes.
let's review all the colors. Can you tell me what this is, Rich Rich?
Yellow, pink, red, brown. I don't know. The blue is.
Okay, you repeat after me, okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay, this is yellow
This is yellow
and blue.
and blue.
And how about this one?
And one,
The
two,
it's pink.
pink,
And how about this?
red.
It's green.
It's green. It's green.
Yes.
Mommy,
And how about
mommy.
the last one? The purple.
I I don't know. I
It
forgot.
it's purple.
It pol pol is pol 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 pol.
It's purple. Can you repeat
It's
after me?
it's
Purple.
it's forful, teacher.
Yeah,
It's forful.
it's purple.
It's
Oh,
purple.
very good. You're so very good. So I'm gonna give you another star.
Wow, lot of star you are,
Yes,
teacher.
because
Are
you are
you
so
the
very good.
universe? Yes.
So, do you like our lesson today, Rich Rich?
Very much like it.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Done? Are you done? Okay. Anyway, well, that's it. Thank you so much, Miss Hannah. We are finally done at your allotted time. And thank you for your presence today. And we'll next steps are pretty straightforward. I'll be coming back to you with a feedback or the result of your interview and demo. Okay, that's it for now.
Okay,
Thank you
thank
so much,
you.
Miss Hannah Jade
Thank you.
Asuki. Goodbye. Shishing. Bye
Bye.
bye.